I think it's important as you talk about digital health. I think it's important to level set. And this is a vast field, but when you think about it, it's broad, and it includes a lot of key areas such as mobile health, health information technology, kind of generally speaking. A lot of great work that's happening relative to wearables and devices. Many of you, I'm sure, have Apple Watches, and you may also have other personal trackers, Fitbits, Halos, all sorts of different things. Both telehealth and so really the health side of things, but also telemedicine, especially accelerated through the COVID pandemic. But then also really the emergence of personalized medicine. And we've talked about personalized medicine for quite a long time, but the data hasn't necessarily been there. And so digital is really one of those ways that can really bring that data forward to really be able to bring personalization down to the individual level. So here's the current state of play within healthcare and digital medicine. I think that the uptake has been tremendous, really around the world, and certainly many of these technologies have been around for a while. But with the COVID pandemic, it really accelerated the adoption of these technologies, where we couldn't go in and actually see clinicians, where we had stresses on the health system, where in many cases admissions might be difficult to be able to do. And so it's driven really an uptake in these. And then along with that, in the general kind of technology sector, artificial intelligence has taken on much greater relevance and importance. Big technology is also Big technology has also come into this market in a pretty big way. And so a lot of the big tech companies, whether it's Meta, Amazon, even Microsoft, Google, have been involved in some way in healthcare. But now we see a lot of work that's happening, a lot of investment that's happening, and quite frankly, moving in and out of the market in many ways, whether it's, say Amazon relative to a provision of primary care, whether it's Google and the recent layoffs that happened at Verily. But clearly what's happening there is they're investing in this market, and they're trying to understand what the product market fit is, not only at the consumer level, but also at the institutional level as well.
To watch the entire video, contact us via the link given below in the description.